My name is Kendall Ware. After a successful career leading 6 different brands across 3 different industries, I am now turning my focus and shifting my energy to my number one passion, developing people and elevating businesses. I've been grinding for many, many years. Yes, on rollerblades, but also in the business world. And I've achieved a lot at a very young age. But I'm ready to take my leadership and experience and share it with a wider audience. I want people to be able to expedite their career just like I was able to expedite mine because of others who invested in me. So, if you're looking for practical advice and inspiration on how to grow your brand or how to develop your team or just to take your career to that next level, I invite you to join me on this new journey by subscribing to my YouTube channel and following me on social media. Let me know the topics you want to hear about. Let me know about those things that you wish leaders would just share more insight on. I want to be the one that exposes the good and bad of leadership. I look forward to sharing more content with you, and I appreciate you all watching.